Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the settings. In settings, select the general option by tapping on it, then scroll down, find the display option and select it. And here we have the brightness option, tap on it, and right here we can select one of the brightness levels. We have low, medium and high. Select the one you like, and then you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.